The 80s, a decade of innovation. One would forever change the face of learning. LEGO Education. Created with one goal in mind, LEGO Education set out to reimagine the way we learn. And for 40 years, that's exactly what we've done. In our earliest days, we pioneered the advancement of STEAM learning before it even had a name, helping lay the foundation for understanding complex concepts. We recognize the power in bringing a hands-on approach to education, ensuring that even the most intimidating STEAM subjects could be fun and accessible. And we saw that by building confidence in learning through exploration, collaboration, real-world application, inspiration, and innovation, we could ignite a lifelong love of learning. And now as we look back, we're excited to celebrate these 40 years of learning through play, and even more excited about what the next 40 will bring.